Do you have some expectations from the government that they should be doing this, they should be doing that?
I don't think I have. I think I have expectations from the government to see, are we
Hmm.
moving too much to the right, where all autism institutions and centers are doing is thinking about autism rights, autism schools, autism special services, autism dogs, autism therapies. Instead of that, can we think about educators in the space of autism? How do we teach them in a way that we actually start to keep pushing these kids towards mainstream rather than towards creating their own stream? So
Okay.
that's my hope from the government, that they work on the system of autism to push it towards as much mainstream as possible,
Get more educators into that.
and get those educators strong enough to be able to push the current this way rather than push the current that way, because that's what educators are currently doing.
Mhm. But why do you think that? Why do you think that autism is still? It's not something which is readily accepted by the parents, by the society. I've seen parents still hiding these. If their child has an issue, they will hide it. They will not talk
It is.
about it, or they will try to normalize it by putting the child in a normal school, and then the
Yeah.
child faces a lot of issues, all those things.
So, at a very basic level, of so that everyone understands, about 60, 70 years ago, till about 60, 70 years ago, we didn't want a daughter born in our families, right? Like parents,
Yeah.
like we used to kill daughters. It's almost like, if you had to actually think about it, because raising a daughter was hard. You had to give dowry. You had to be worried about her all the time, about her safety, about her dignity, about her grace, all of that. It's kind of similar, very like parallel in that, in the space of autism. It is very difficult to raise a child on the spectrum of autism, because you just don't know what will trigger them, what will throw a tantrum, what will do what. So it's very complicated, and I think the job is not of the parents, but the job is of the educator